Next we'll deal with the laboratory method of preparation of hydrochloric acid. So what actually happens for this, we take a beaker and in that we keep water. Okay. Above that we keep a funnel, and into the funnel the supply of HCl gas is maintained. This is the mouth of the funnel, this is the funnel, and this is the water level. Okay. From here HCl gas is supplied. Now what will happen? HCl gas that is coming from here will get dissolved in water. Okay. So this dissolved HCl, this dissolved gas in water, this will raise upwards in the funnel. The gas has dissolved in water, so hydrochloric acid has formed. So that hydrochloric acid will move upwards into the funnel because of back suction. Back suction is backward force. Okay. So now the new case is, this is the funnel. Here the water has raised to some extent. Because the water has raised up from here to here, the water level here will decrease. As compared to here, the water level here has decreased. Why? Because the water has moved upwards into the funnel. Now you can see here there is gap. Because of the gravitational force, this water will again, this acid will again move down, and again it will mix up here. Then again more of HCl acid will come here. Again it will mix up here, will move up in the funnel. Because of gravity, that will again move down. So this will continue till all the water has turned into HCl acid. Clear? So this is what is given here. What is the procedure for the laboratory preparation of hydrochloric acid? Laboratory method. Clear? Then the question generally is asked, why we are using this funnel arrangement and not simple pipe arrangement for turning HCl gas into HCl acid? Because here the space is narrow as compared to funnel. Funnel is broader, it has more space, and this is much narrow. So because it is narrow, it will allow for greater back suction. There will be greater back suction because of what? This acid which is moving upwards back into this tube will directly go to the production site of production of HCl gas. So if we are using this arrangement, whatever acid, here suppose it is being dissolved and acid is moving up, this will move up till back to its site of production from where it is coming. So that all will be much explosive and it will all be tedious. So what we are using is this funnel arrangement. Clear? Many times this question is asked in boards, why we use funnel arrangement for preparation of HCl acid. The same thing is repeated in ammonia chapter, and there I won't repeat this topic. So you understand here only.